I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. I don't like Valentine, and I don't like the colored pink either.
2,000 years later.
Pictures. Nice. Hey there guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, Makeup Freaks. That is right, it's that time of the year again, Valentine's Day. Oh, Valentine's Day. How I do not like this holiday, but I am going to be doing two things I don't like today. Doing a Valentine's look and using pink just for you guys. And we're going to be using the Juvia's Sweet Pink palette. Let's go ahead and jump in.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And as always, you see that I have done my eyebrows already. So if you do want to see how I do my eyebrows, I will go ahead and link it up above. For today's look, we are going to do a pink cut crease with a pink wing liner. Now let's look at the colors we're going to be working with. So I don't know the name of the colors, so I'm just gonna point at them and show you step by step what color I'm going to use first. For today's base color, we're gonna use this softer pink, and we're gonna lay it on the crease and a little bit above. And for this step, we're going to use our brush Sigma, and this is the E24 brush. And I always like to start in the middle and work my way out. Oh, these colors are super big, pigmented. Okay, I see that's one thing I like so far. Look at that, it just lays like butter. Okay guys, remember, in between each step of applying an eyeshadow, make sure we're always gonna blend. And today's brush for blending, we're going to use the Morphe M330. Blend it on in, blend, blend, blend. For the second color we're gonna dip into is gonna be this highlighter colored pink, and we're going to use our Sigma E33 brush. And we're gonna lay on top of the color we just used. Ooh, that is very pink. I feel like a Barbie. Make sure you taper it out a little. Remember, blend, blend, blend. Okay, for the next step, we're gonna come in and we're gonna conceal, and we're gonna go a little bit above our crease so that way we can see the lid color when we come back and apply it. So for today's concealer, we're going to use the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo concealer, and we are going to apply it with this flathead Murphy brush. And I like to start in the inner corner and work my way up towards the middle. And out to the end. And we're gonna bring the concealer down to our lid. It's best to do a cut crease when you have no foundation on, so that way when you come in with your foundation, you can clean up all this excess makeup that's here. For the lid, I do want a more irish white color, so I'm actually going to dip into my soft Glam from Anastasia, and I'm going to use the Temper, and I'm going to use this dual brush from Urban Decay, and I'm going to use the smaller side to apply it. And only apply it to the areas that you apply the concealer. And this is going to set the concealer. Now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and grab the brush that I used last, which is the Sigma E33, and I'm going to go into that highlighter color again, and I'm going to add a little bit to the top to freshen it up and give it more of a vibrant color. And I want to make sure I stay above the line. and we go ahead again and we blend that out. With this very thin Murphy brush, I'm going to go in with this glittery pink, and I'm going to add it to the cut crease right here, and that is going to be my line of the separation. For our wing, we're going to use this kind of purplish color, and we're gonna apply it with this angle brush from Murphy. And we're gonna work it like if it's a liquid liner. It does help if you spray your brush. I'm gonna spray it with my setting spray from CoverGirl, and that way the color will stick more. Now we work our way into our inner corner. And with the same brush, we're going to go into this glittery pink color, and we're gonna lay on top of the wing. Okay, now let's go ahead and put eyeliner on our top waterline. And we're using the Sigma Longwear eyeliner, and this is in shade Whicked. We're gonna put mascara only on our top lash, and we're gonna come in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. And for today's lashes, we're going to be using the Luxe Lashes, and this is in Style Radiant, and we're going to be applying it with our House of Lashes adhesive. And that's why you don't use black adhesive when you're doing a light wing, but it's okay, because we can fix it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Just go ahead and grab our brush and grab our glitter. Now with our concealer brush, we're gonna go ahead and clean this blob off. Voila, and we have fixed it. Now let's go ahead and do our other eye off camera. Boom, and I'm done with the top. Now let's go ahead and put on our foundation and concealer. For our under eye color, we're going to go ahead and use this purplish that we use as a wing, and we're going to use this BH Cosmetic, and this is the 132 brush. Now we're going to go ahead and add the glitter color we added on top of the wing, and we're going to add it to the bottom, and we're going to use the angle brush we used to apply it with earlier. Now we're gonna add our eyeliner to our waterline. And now our mascara. For our bronzer and blush, we are using the Benefit Cheekaton palette, and I'm going to be using Hoola for my bronzer and Rockateur for my blush. To apply my bronzer, I'm going to use the Murphy E42 brush. Remember, fishy face. apply Rockateur, which is our blush, we're going to use this Tarte brush. Remember, smile. For our highlighter today, we're going to use the Glam kit, and this one is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and we are going to use the Crush Pearl color, which is this one. And we're going to use a Tarte tapered out brush to apply it. With the smaller end of the Urban Decay brush, we're going to dip into our highlighter and get our brow bone and our inner corner. With our angle BH Cosmetic brush, we're gonna go ahead and blend in all the makeup together. Okay guys, I changed my mind. So I was gonna do a nude lip, but I decided to go big or go home. So I'm going to do a darker hot pink color lip. I'm first gonna use my Juvia lip liner, and this one is in shade So Rare. And for lips, we're gonna use the NYX Shine Loud 16-hour wear dual color and gloss lipstick. And that is how I completed my cut crease Valentine inspired look. I do have some tips if you do have problems or trouble doing the wing liner. The little felt that comes with the palette, you can use it and put it underneath your eye like this to help you guide you with your line. Another tip, make sure that you're using the NYX new Shine Loud dual lipstick. When you apply the color, let it sit for 1 or 2 minutes before applying the clear coat. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to leave me a comment down below saying that I subscribed, and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you do not miss any new upcoming videos. Be sure to follow me on my social media platform. I will leave the details on the description. I love you guys. I do post up every Wednesday and Saturday. I will see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.